guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna play the Stories Battlegrounds. I'm gonna try to get 3 or 2 kills and then I'm gonna go because I need to sleep. Okay, where are we gonna go first? Let's go. Let's find this guy. Alright. He's almost dead. I'm almost dead. Should have done that. Oh, there's one loss. Just gonna let's go. Well done. Where is this guy? My friend joined me. Let's. Hey, don't clap my friend. Well done. Okay, cheers, guys. And now I'm gonna not end it there. I'm gonna get more kills. Hey guys, face reveal on like 10 subs. Okay, how's that sound? Let's see if this guy wants to get on. Damn, he's actually good with metal bat, not gonna lie. Kaboom! And GG. Who's next? Ooh. Yeah. Bomboclat. Let's see if my friend's still alive. I don't think so. He did. Oh, you wanna go? You wanna go? Really like. Hey, you want to go? Talking to you. Hey, go on it. Blah, 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 blah. Wait, guys, give me a second real quick. God, that's crazy. That's crazy. There we go. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna tell him something. Hello, Carl. Hallo. Oh, ik maak gewoon een video. Wil jij samen met die video maken? Ik maak net een video van die Stormers Battlegrounds. En ik praat maar Engels aan de after van die YouTubers Engels. Ja, ik ga nou Engels praten. Wees aan Engels praten. Ja, dat gaat niet meer op verstaan, nee. Okay, guys, me and my friend are gonna 1v1 real quick. 3, 2, 1, here we go. En niks op de mattie. Well done. Guys, you just flied. Anyway, I know you went. Where you went. Well, guys, he's very mad. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna kill the damage. Okay, sure. Okay, we're gonna kill each other in his private server. Okay. You're gonna maar die video eindig. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you in 5 months.